Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to refactor an existing calendar event from Microsoft Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. Can be for work, school, or business. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on all applications, explore all the applications, navigate to calendar. We can create another event. Let's do that now. Add a title. Post a video to Instagram. We can have attendees being invited to this event. Let's just leave that as it is. Click on save. And so now to refactor this event itself, which is scheduled for today. And so the event will be in the next 15 minutes for 30 minutes. Now let's move this to another day. Click on the event, drag and drop, and that itself has now been refactored. Click on the event itself, and there you go. So originally for another day, now we have moved it to the 3rd of March, so we can save, quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.